Hello friends, today is Sunday 14th of November, year 2021. Now I've been back from my sailing in my workshop exactly 3 months, and now I'm going to tell you about the hatch locking. Here is the hatch. Here's the frame, here's the mock-up, here's the gasket, 3 centimeter, 2 deep. First, this is just a mock-up and it's not symmetrical, and I've been working on that, you know, and doing things like this. And it's for 3 states of sea. One state is calm, the sea is like a mirror, it's flat. Then I don't close any hatches, I keep open everything, and everything is fine. Next second is a breeze with some spray flying, the boat is going into the wind and wave is like going over the boat. Then I close the hatch, and I use shock cord. I put it like this, put it over here, and that I also can use before I put it on. And the next thing is when seas are breaking, big seas coming over the boat, and I have to be careful. So I put this on. I put it in this mode, I put this in here, and I like this. So it's quite simple. And I keep it well greased, and it's in good condition, and it's stainless 316. A4, what we call in Swedish syrafast rostfritt. And when you open it, just do it like that, and it's simple. Now, if something could go wrong, you know, I can always use a knife, and it's easy to replace because it's I just do like this, pull out the bolt here, and here it is. And now I haven't done it on this side, but it's the same thing. So then you can just get up a new one, and you put in here, this thing, and it's easily done. So I differ in that I like to have a dry boat. A dry boat is a happy boat. I differ in that I think time is well spent making good hatches to get a good boat. So this is why I put time in this. This is why I make 5 of these hatches. 1 in the bulkhead here, 1 in the bulkhead here, and 3 in the deck. So this is for today. Thank you, my friends.